Launch the OBS Studio on your computer and now click on this plus icon to create a new source. And here select application audio capture. And here I'm giving name Discord audio. And here click on this window drop down and here you have to select Discord and OK. And you have successfully added your Discord audio in your OBS Studio. And now from this audio mixer, you can adjust your Discord audio just like so. And go to settings, go to output. And from here, you can change your audio bitrate. You can also change your recording location or path from here. Now, if you want to record your Discord video or video call, then click on this plus icon to create a new source and here select window capture and giving name here Discord video and click on this window drop down and here select Discord and click on OK and your Discord video will be added. Now to start your Discord audio or call recording, click on start recording and all of your Discord audio or call will be recorded using OBS Studio.